Okay, so I got this bathroom. Has a bit of a mold problem. Now I started cleaning, actually cleaned the really worst spot was right in there. What I'm doing is I'm taking paper towels, folding them in halves and quarters, spraying it with a bit of bleach and a bit of mold killer bleach. This is bleach in here, diluted, a little bit of water. And what I'm trying to do is lift that stuff off. I'm not trying to spread it all around with this, that, and the other. So I'm taking those paper towels and I'm just getting as much as I can off with the paper towel. And then we'll figure out what we're gonna do next after that. More cleaning, but first get the big stuff off first. And then we'll figure out why they have an extractor fan that halfway works and they have a heater, which is two things you need, and have a big window, but no actual passive ventilation air-wise.